Okay, good morning, student. Thank you very much for coming on Sunday. Today, I'm inviting one student, past student of St. Lawrence. First time in this lecture series, we are inviting boy. He is a very hard worker, very sincere, and dedicated towards his career. I have marked his behavior in the class कि जब आजू बाजू में कोई बात करता है ना तो उसे स्टॉप कर देता है मुझे उसे उसे मेरी बात सुननी है at that time he used to stop talking or laughing to other student और एक मजेदार मैं बात बताऊं आपको कि लास्ट ईयर के स्टूडेंट दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट बैच तो मैंने फुल फ्लेज उसे फ्रीडम दे रखी थी कि आपको मैथ साइंस में कहीं भी दिक्कत आए कहीं भी दिक्कत आए यू कैन कॉल मी कैन सेंड मी द मैसेज आई विल रिप्लाई तो एसएससी बोर्ड की एग्जाम थी नेक्स्ट डे अलजेब्रा नेक्स्ट डे ज्योमेट्री तो रात को स्टूडेंट जैसे जैसे ड्रिल वर्क करते जैसे जैसे रिवीजन करते कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम आती थी क्वेश्चन भेजते थे क्वेश्चन इतने सारे बढ़ जाते थे कभी कभी मैं मुकेश को फॉरवर्ड करता था वो मुझे सॉल्यूशन भेजते थे मेरा सॉल्यूशन इसको जाता था इसका सॉल्यूशन इसको तो कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर मिडनाइट एट 1:30 2 o'clock he'd work with me for student क्योंकि इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस आते थे सबका लिख के फोटोग्राफ्स निकाल के व्हाट्सएप करना तो मैं थोड़े थोड़े जो क्वेश्चन है उसको भी पास कर देता था मैं भी कंटिन्यू काम अलजेब्रा में भी उसने मुझे फुल सपोर्ट दिया ज्योमेट्री में भी फुल फ्लेज सपोर्ट दिया तो among boys first so that student I would like to invite Mukesh. So Mukesh, please you start your speech. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir. First of all, I would like to thank Vijay sir for giving this opportunity to motivate 10th SSC student. So very good morning to all of you. I would like to share some things that will help you in imagination as well as time management and consistency. So I will give you one principle, that is the physics first principle, reasoning out from it. So boil down the complex things into its simpler substance and reason out from there. So this is the thing that you can imagine into it and know the thing into its simpler substances. So I will give example as we move forward. So the next thing you have to manage is time management. That is the most aspect thing. You have to make the time blocks which in a 24 hours, that how much you sleep, how much you take in social media, how much you have to do the self study as well. uh, if uh, if you suppose some thing happened that you have to postpone it, so you have to manage the things. And you can use the first principle in time management as well. You can uh, break the times into blocks, and you can write down the things when you have to do. And the third thing is like consistency. You have to be consistent about your life and about your goals, uh, and study as well. You have to do then uh, the next thing is, there is a one saying that uh, if you if you are not amazed by thing what you have learned, you are not understanding it. Meaning that if you are not feel what you are doing, you are just rushing up the things. You are not living what you have to live it. I will give example like Steve Jobs or Stephen Hawking. They were also bored starting of their life, but they realized in between in their life that life is too short. You have to do and your karma. So Next thing I would like to say is about yours time. What if next thing next thing is be self-believe and motivate yourself as well. Don't be distracted by other things as well. You have to live from distractions, because there are lots of distraction in there, like social media, lots of things. So you have to get out from it, and you have to do it what you have been created by God. And there is you are not born to repeat the history, you are born to create the history. You have to remind it, because many of us are just repeating the things. We are not doing some innovation like such things. So you have to see your life and how it flow. uh, the next thing I will say is about uh, be a good observer and learn from others as well. Like Steve Jobs has saying that you might have seen also, stay hungry, stay foolish. You have to be open-minded. You have to believe in yourself. Life can't be just simply, you have to learn and do something bold enough. Oh, and thank you everybody, and best of luck for your SSC board.
Thank you very much, Mukesh, for your precious time, for your golden word, for your experience. Thanks a lot, beta.
Okay, sir. Thank you.